Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Ads tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Ads promo codes and vouchers. It's extremely easy. All you have to do is to follow my steps. You need to log into your Google Ads account. You need to navigate to billing on the left hand side. You need to select promotions here, and here you're going to click the plus symbol. All you have to do is to insert the promotional code and click submit. Now a couple of notes. Typically, promo codes are valid for new Google Ads accounts. So if your account is pre-existing, it has a history, most likely the promo code that you have is not going to be applicable to it. Also, promo codes are relevant to specific locations. For example, you have a Google Ads account that was created in the UK, in the USA, in the Netherlands, in India, in Pakistan, in Indonesia, and Malaysia. That promo code is going to be applicable for specific locations. Also, Google Ads promo codes are time sensitive, so you have a specific time frame in which you need to apply them, right? So that may be a couple of reasons why you are not able to use your promotional code. Promotional codes in Google Ads typically work in the following way. You are going to attach the promo code. You need to spend a certain amount of money. You need to spend $1,000, $2,000. It really depends on the location. Once you spend this amount, then the system is going to grant you the additional funds that are promised. So for example, you have $1,000 as a promo or $500, you probably need to spend as much money, and then the system will basically give you this credit. So that's a couple of things about Google Ads promo codes. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.